Your paint is peeling on your wall or you have mold on your wall, this is the step by step on how to solve it. This is the complete guide. You need to save this video so that you can watch it later. So for this particular site, we see that dampness is on the lower part, which is rising damp. So the first thing we did was to remove all the plaster. You can use this rotary drill hammer or you use your chisel and hammer to remove it. You can call a bricklayer to help you do the work. Let them remove it, specifically 0.3 meters above where you see the highest point of the dampness. After removing all the plaster, you will notice that there are some holes in the block that were made while you were removing the plaster. So what you need to do is to find cement and sand to block those holes. So after this, you need to wet the wall, make the wall soak, just the way we are doing in this video. So after that, you need to mix your crystal coat with water until you get a slurry mix, that is something that looks like paste. So with this, you can then start applying your crystal coat on the wall using a brush or a roller or a trowel. So but in this case, we are using a brush, that normal brush that painters use when they want to paint. Yes, but find the big one so that you can easily cover plenty spaces. So after applying it, make sure you cover everywhere. Then you need to wait for it to dry. So you can do first coat and second coat as well after the first coat has dried a bit. So after 24 hours, you need to come back to the surface you have applied your crystal coat. You also wet it just the way you wet it the first time so that it will give the crystal coat strength. You repeat this also after 48 hours of your initial application. So after 48 hours, once the place dry, you can then come back and apply your Coaster 2K. Coaster 2K is usually in two parts. One is inside the keg, which is the liquid part, and there's the cement part. Before you also apply your Coaster 2K on your crystal coat, you also need to wet the wall again, because you need the chemical you want to apply on the crystal coat to also stick very well. You also need to wet it. You need to mix the cement and the liquid of the Coaster 2K together, that is half bag of the cement to half of the liquid. So after mixing it and you get a paste like solution, you need to also apply it on the wall just the way you apply your crystal coat. So apply it, make sure you cover everywhere. You can apply it in 1 or 2 coats depending on how serious it is. Once you apply the first coat, you wait for like 2 to 4 hours for it to dry, then you can apply your second coat. But if you are just doing 1 coat, you can leave it once it's dry. So after 24 hours, you come back, you wet it so that it will give the Coaster 2K strength. Then after 48 hours, you also repeat the same. So once the surface is dry after you have waited for 48 hours, then you can now bring your sand and cement to replaster the surface. So this is the exact step by step to get the best result for dampness. So with this, you won't smell dampness on that wall again for a very long time, for years. So you can plaster and then even do your screening, and then you repaint the wall. The wall will look like normal, as if nothing had ever happened.